Hi everyone, I'm Alicia, and today I'm here with Mike from LHPU. Mike, how you doing today?
I'm great, thanks.
Good. So in this video, we're going to be talking about the flexible payment plan that LHPU offers for their programs. So what can you tell me about that?
Sure. At LHPU, we really value the education and training we give,
Right.
but we do understand that sometimes it's difficult for students to manage the cost.
Right.
So we really want to offer each student a way that fits that individual's current situation.
Yeah.
So we offer really two different delivery methods, and they have two price points, as you can see. There's the 6-week full 6-week program, immersive for 6 weeks full, and then we also have the nights and weekend program, which does not quite have the depth of the soft skills and the resume building and the recruitment and placement component. So there are two different price points for those programs. In addition, we offer a very unique program that allows the student to simply reserve their spot in the class with a small down payment. And then when the student receives full-time qualifying employment, that is when the student can begin to pay back in monthly installments.
Oh, wow,
and
that's awesome.
It's a great way to allow the student to defer paying the full program until they're able to do it with a job, which we absolutely help the student find. I mean, part of the reason why we understand people take these programs is to find employment in their field of study.
Wow. That's incredible, and that really takes a lot of the stress off of it too, because some people worry maybe taking classes won't work for them because they can't, handle it financially. So
that's right.
That's really awesome that you're able to do that, and then even placing them in a job and setting up a payment plan. That's so
right.
great.
It's exactly why we're doing what we're doing. Is our core purpose here is to help find engineers find their spot and be successful.
Absolutely.
And part of that
setting
is
them up for success.
Exactly. And part of that is offering a way for them financially to be able to manage that situation.
Great. Well, thank you so much for telling me a little bit more about that.
You bet.
And if you would like to find out more, you can contact LHPU. You can visit them online at lhpu.com.